What of Thai dear dinner look? Here you go. We have pork and rice on the menu, and of course a little razzle dazzle. You know what's up. To start, we're gonna make sure that we go for the best quality rice. Today we're using Amana Pishori. We're gonna do 2 cups of that. Doesn't really need any washing, but you know me, I'm a clean freak. After rinsing and draining the water, I'm gonna start by frying up some raisins. Once they start to bubble up and they have some nice fragrance, we're gonna add in our rice. I'll also add some cardamom powder, salt and broth or water. Let it steam till nice and fluffy. I'm telling you, the aroma that's coming out of this rice, y'all better go out there and get you some of this. So easy to prep, yet so delicious. Go on and serve and enjoy when you try.